Hi, it's Peggy Lee, and I thought I had shared the other day on my Facebook page about how I put lights on up here at the top of my tree, and that's just with one branch. So now when you get down to, I thought I would come back on and share a little bit better. When you get down to the second half of, when you get down to these branches that have like 5 branches on one branch, I'm just going to move these branches out of the way so you can see what I'm doing here. We'll just put them back afterwards. Okay, so we're down to this, 5-finger branch. So you're coming in, I come from this branch, I go back here, and I wrap on this one branch that's way in the back. And then I go under that and come over to my left, go up around, and I wrap once. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. I wrap once around this one that sticks up. Then I go under the branch. Okay, just like that. And this one here can rest right there, or it can rest outwards. It doesn't really matter. So then you have this one finger. You're going to wrap this one twice. Okay. Bring this back under the bottom and then wrap this one. You can do once or twice. I usually just do once. Then I go over to the top of this finger here and wrap. Okay, sometimes I do twice. And then I'll bring this back on the top and wrap 1 or 2 times. So it's kind of, whoops, actually I'm going to go underneath. Underneath seems to, if you do underneath, it seems to help the lights to stay, they stay more straight. Like this will stay up. It's moving, it's sliding off because all the extra lights are down bottom here. But that's what I do. I just kind of go from the back and I go over one, go under the whole arm, come back up, wrap, go under, wrap, go over, wrap. And then when you go to your next one, you can just start wrapping the next arm. Now, I because I was filming, I did this backwards because I want to keep going that way. But because I landed here, actually I'm at the end. So now I need to go down to the next level, to the next tree branch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this string and go way in the back to this branch that's directly off to the left. And I'm going to wrap and just, basically I do a little tiny hook. So I took this branch and I just hooked it around the lights. So it kind of like keeps the lights from falling down. And so you're going to get multiple lights on one 5-brancher, but the effect is amazing. Now this is daylight, so you don't really see much of the effect right now. But at night, it's just, my kids always say that my Christmas trees can stop an airplane, can land an airplane. And then I'm just going to keep on going. So that one is, the tree branch is over. And I'm going to go under the whole branch and back up. And I'm not sure if you can see this. I got to check here. I think you can. Pull it down a little bit. So, and you might have to so I'm way over onto the left. So I'm wrapping around the tree branch, coming up off to the left side. And then I'm going to scoot back and come up. I'm bringing it up over to the front. So you basically are doing a figure 8 over your whole tree branch. And it really will help with the lights coming from the center to the back. And this one was not, you want to fan out your branches before you do this, but it wasn't fanned out before I did it. So come up through, and this is the center one, so wrap around that one, and then wrap around this center one. Sometimes I'll do the center one 2 or 3 times, and then keep on going. And then you just keep on going down. Now, as you get down to the fuller 5-finger branches, you're going to use more lights. But so far, right now, on this tree, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 600 lights so far. And I have 2 boxes left, and I still may need to go buy a box. But it's really pretty at night, and I will show you how pretty it is at night here this evening. Thanks.